Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it is Kyle live in Las Vegas at SEMA 2018 in the DeeZee booth alongside my friend Tyler. What's up, my man?
How's it going?
I'm doing fantastic. We're around some pretty new products, too. What's up?
Oh, it's just another day in paradise here in Las Vegas. There's a couple cool things we got going on. We're getting into Jeeps this year, so what you see here is more of a concept. We're trying to get some feedback and feel out kind of what everybody's opinions are and kind of see what direction we want to go. So first of all, obviously you see the doors here. The Hex series was a new product last year. We kind of expanded that in the Jeep. What's cool about it is there's this integrated channel that allows you to mount all kinds of different items, accessories. It doesn't even necessarily have to be a DeeZee product even. If you move forward here with the cowl hood mount and the A-pillar mount as well, as you can see, we have a little GoPro mount in there. You can slide it up and down. You can flip that bracket around and there's the same mount on the other side, and you can mount like a big 60-inch light bar over the top of it. So, those Jeep guys love that kind of stuff. They don't, they like the ability to customize their vehicle the way they want, and this is endless opportunities with something like that.
You're absolutely right about that, and you're talking about how you're getting more into Jeeps this year. Well, you're certainly speaking our language. What else? Is anything else new on this side? I see this sweet tint up there.
Yeah, actually, that's not a DeeZee product. This is more of a lifestyle thing, but hey, check them out. FreeSpirit Recreation right here. They do a great job. Check them out if you're into that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Everybody's loved this thing. It's got us a lot of attention. So
I totally bet it has, and I bet that you guys have been getting a lot of attention too with some of the stuff that you're doing over here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We do have a couple other products up here in the front. We are going to do bumpers, and continuing with the Hex series attitude, we decided to continue that theme, obviously, with the shape of everything. We wanted to get feedback. Hey, should we use the Hex extrusion across the front here, or should we use that as an accessory? Should it be a separate item? Just trying to feel out what the market is like, because obviously we're new to Jeeps, we're new to trucks, or we've done trucks, so it's just one of those things we want to make it right,
I love how you guys are being honest too. You're not saying, hey, this is our first foray and it's the greatest thing ever. You're saying, look, this is the direction that we're headed. Do you like? If so, we're going to keep on pushing it that way, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Anything else new going on from DeeZee on the Jeep end?
I'd say the only other thing going on over here is the Hex Step and the high lift jack mount. So what's cool is it uses our existing cowl mount, and then there's a bracket at the bottom that makes it nice and secure. Most of these things rattle. You got to mount it across your hood, but in this case, we gave you a nice secure place to mount it.
Well, nice, and just like you were saying, man, look at that. That is quality right there. That is quality right there. Well, hey, if people would like to give you some feedback and tell you, hey, man, this is my style, or maybe you should head in this direction, what should they do?
They can reach out to our customer service department at 1-800-779-2102 just to give us some feedback, and they'll be able to pass that information on to the right people.
There you go. And once these products are firing on all cylinders and available, you can pick them up at MidwestAftermarket.com. Thank you very much, Tyler.
Thanks for having me.
All right. We'll see you soon.